Hi, welcome back to Mechanics 10, 20, 30, whatever class you're in. I need to check in with everybody because I've noticed that even though I said, you should, whenever you want to work on it, it's up to you, your responsibility. I think I realized that students being home alone and not having a schedule of any kind and not being forced to come to school at a certain time of the day, all of that stuff may leave you in a bit of a funk. And so what I want to do is I want to just give you, in fact, I want to remind you of some of the things we talked about at the start of the year because they apply not just here in the mechanic shop, but also at home. So, keys to success in Mechanics 10. So I'm going to give you the keys to success in Mechanics 10 at home or Mechanics 20 at home. Here we go. The keys to mechanics, I'm going to look off of my phone because I took a picture of it. The first one was stay organized. Does that apply? That mostly applies with taking things apart and putting things together. That's important. However, keeping your book and yourself organized at home. Important. Excellent. Next one, talk to the smartest person. Last week, I heard from 3 people. I've got about 30 that I should be hearing from. 3 people. Okay? I'm hearing from 10% of the class. That's not good enough. And so I want you to apply yourselves and say, okay, who's the smartest person in the room? Well, not in the room. In the class, let's say. That would probably be me. You need to come talk to me. Good. The next one, commit to 56. We're going to change that a bit. We're going to commit to the plan. Wait a minute. What's the plan? The plan is further down on the list here. Number 5 says make a plan. You should do that first. Make a plan and then commit to the plan. Number 4 said pay attention. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Number 6 says do your own work. Well, you're at home, so we're kind of forced to do that. So the things we need to think about are make a plan. How do you make a plan? That's pretty simple, but it is hard. The reason why it's hard is because as soon as you make a plan, you're committing to doing it. That's the first step to committing to doing something. And if you're like me and you're at home, you're like, I would rather sit on the couch and watch Netflix or play video games. That's normal. You just need to force yourself to say, okay, I'm going to get off the couch. If my mom or my dad asked me how long I worked today and I really worked half an hour, but I rounded up and said an hour, and they're happy with that, it has nothing to do with who's happy with what. It has everything to do with what you're accomplishing. So I need you to make a plan. So how do you make a plan? Good question. A plan includes several things. Number 1, it's a specific thing you want to accomplish. Be specific. Not just, whatever. No. Specific. I want to do this. And it requires you to have a timeline. I want to do this by this time. The third thing is how you're going to do it. I want to do this by this time, and this is how I'm going to do it. What, when, and how. Answer those questions, you've got a plan, and you're more likely to complete the plan. Number 3 said, commit to that plan. Number 2 said, talk to the smartest person. That would be me. You need to check in with me. It's a bit of an accountability structure. We would normally have that every single day. But I would suggest every week you check in with me. Pick a day. Doesn't matter to me. You don't even have to tell me ahead of time. You just pick a day between 9 and noon, 1 and 3:30. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Doesn't matter. You pick a day, you contact me. I'll get a hold of you almost right away, within 5 minutes. What's the deal? Make the plan, commit to the plan, talk to Mr. Martins. Excellent. I look forward to hearing from all of you.